Class V here, back with another G-Army helpful video. So I hope y'all been following along through this whole process, this video series on conducting a physical inventory. Today we've reached the finale. We're actually going to get a chance to process and post our physical inventory, okay? So I want to take a few minutes just to recap what we actually did to get to this stage. So the first thing we did, we prepared ourselves for the actual inventory. And what does that mean? So we were able to consume our parts, issue the parts to the work orders, we were PGI to the SSA. From there, we actually created our physical documents, right? We created our inventory documents. Then we printed our documents. Once we printed our documents, we went out and we actually did the legwork and physically counted each location, right? After that, what did we do? We then listed and printed our differences. Now, we had some issues where we fat fingered some stuff that we had to go into our next step, which was change counts. So after the change counts, we are at the final stage of posting the inventory, all right? So without further ado, let's get into MI07, processing and posting. So if you're new to this channel, by the way, make sure that you check out the videos and make sure you like and subscribe. So we're going to go to MI07 here and make sure that your document number is there, your physical year, and your posting. And all you're going to do is hit enter. All right, so we only have two things on our inventory, but if there was more, this could be a little bit of time consuming. So anytime you are taking away from the inventory, you need a code. So 370 is for or the code we use to show, hey, there's a minus, there's a difference, there's a subtraction. 344 is what we use if we were to add to the inventory, all right? So both of these we actually subtracted. So we're going to plug in the codes and we're going to hit enter. And then we're going to post the inventory. Now, if you look, differences in physical inventory doc posted. So our inventory is officially closed out, all right? So I want to show you. We're going to go to our equips or MATSIT, I'm sorry. We're going to go to our material situation report. And we were working under 0 kilo 44, right? So if you notice, this is the only thing that's left under 0Q44. Now pay attention. So your last movement date, right? That's the last time it was inventory, right? So there you go. Now, if you do consume the part, then the date will change. But we're going to go into another series of videos on what auto replenish is and how to identify PD lines, ZV, ZM, ZP. So we're going to go through all that, all right? So I hope this was helpful. And like I said, leave your comments down below. And as always, go Ordnance.